Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. Here comes another page of my Winter 2018 mini album, which is a 4x6 mini album. And I'm scrapping this photo, and I am using the digital version of the collection Hello Winter by Carta Bella. And so here I'm working with a couple of paper flags basically that I created. Well, I create the page in Silhouette Studio and then get it ready for printing. So this is what's happening, and I have to warn you, at some point somehow my camera was turned off, and then a little later I noticed it again. So if there's something missing, that would explain that. So anyways, here I have again made sure that the flags would have to be cut apart so that the binding that will be hidden in a way will be between those flags, and then the design of the two pages together will be continuous. And then I have these bunch of little flags that I knew were mostly going to be covered up, and so I wasn't going to use a whole long strip of flags when it was just simply going to be covered up. This is from the collection. This is one of the embellishments, and so I just fussy cut it out and then added it to that page in the corner there, and then I continue with those little flags that will make their way up the page there. And then again, as I said, they will be covered up just like that. And so I have to make sure that the designs line up. So here I'm checking with how I had it set up in the Silhouette. I have the page open there so I can reference it. And here, like I said, my camera for some weird reason just turned off. And then so I have now added two pictures, and there was an extra picture left over, and so I just decided I would just use it to stack some photos there because I didn't have any other use for it. And so here I am just adding more of the embellishments, which are mainly my word strips, which I design by myself and then share them as freebie on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. And so you see that I added the circle there and then this other paper strip, and then put the photos on top and added some more embellishments. So this is pretty much this page, and so it has some of the designs from the collection Carta Bella, Hello Winter, and then my own word strips. So I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.